template actually working in PT exam? So this is the exact template which I used in my PT exam. Can you use template for band 8? See, it's not all about content. When it comes to essay writing, content has just 3 marks. Why are students scoring low in writing? Is it really the essay templates or students don't know how to use the template? Last but not the least, we're going to talk about can you use same template in both essays? Hello everybody, Aditi here from PTE Universe. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about latest changes in PTE exam in regards to essay writing. There's so many students who are planning to take PTE exam soon but are really very stressed about templates, whether essay templates are working or not. Can they use same templates in both the essays? In today's video, we're going to talk about each of these things in detail. But before I start this session, guys, recently I have taken PTE exam in Melbourne, Australia. This is my scorecard. I have got 90 each with 90 overall. Now in today's session, I'm going to share the same strategies, the same techniques which I have used in my PT exam and how I have attempted essay writing so that you can implement the same strategies and get your desired band score. Before I start the session, guys, if you are new to the channel, do like, comment and subscribe our channel for latest PTE updates and easy tips and tricks. Also, in case if you're struggling in PTL Snarty, face-to-face classes are available in Melbourne, Australia. Also, online classes are available all over the world. You can contact us on the given number to book your slot. Let's get started. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to make you understand is essay template actually working in PT exam? Can you use template for band 8? Why are students scoring low in writing? Is it really the essay template or students don't know how to use the template? Last but not the least, we're going to talk about can you use same template in both essays? Because in my PT exam, I got 2 essays. Both the essays had 2 statements and I used same template in both the essays. Now I'll make you understand how to use the template, how I use template, how I got 90 each, 90 overall. And yes, template is working. You do not need to change your template. You just need to modify your template. Make sure, guys, your template has enough space to include all keywords from the essay statement. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk about one thing again and again, that is keywords. Most of the students don't know what keywords are, how to include keywords, and how to make sure they're writing on the topic. Is when it comes to PTE essay writing, your essays are going to be checked by software. So you do need to make sure you're writing on the topic. And for computer to understand you're writing on the topic, you need to include all keywords from questions in your answer. Let me show you first the essay template which I used in my PT exam. So this is the exact template which I used in my PT exam. And you can see there is enough space for topic, sentence and keywords in different parts. In introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and conclusion. Now in this template, guys, I have created 3 dashes. Dash 1, you can include keyword 1 related to topic. Dash 2, you can write keyword 2 related to the topic. And one more dash where you can make a simple sentence related to the topic. We will understand first how to include topic at different places and how to write K1, keyword 1, keyword 2 and one statement related to the topic. Also, guys, before I proceed further, I need to make you understand the essay marking criteria. See, it's not all about content. When it comes to essay writing, content has just 3 marks. Rest of the marks are there for grammar. Grammar has 2 marks. Vocabulary has 2 marks. Form, word limit is very important. You need to write 200 to 300 words. Spellings are very, very important. Most of the students are writing wrong spellings. Even templates words, they're writing wrongly and thus scoring low. And there are 2 marks for general linguistic range, 2 marks for development, structure and coherence. Yes, in the essay template, everything is there. You just need to work on 3 things. 1, content. You need to make sure you're writing all the keywords from the sample answer, from the question statement in your sample answer. Secondly, you need to make sure you're writing the grammar correctly. You're not messing up the grammar. You're not making any mistake in essay template. You need to make sure you're not writing any wrong spellings, and please make sure you're writing within the word limit. That is 200 to 300 words. Don't write below the word limit. Don't write above the word limit. Now, I'm going to talk about 3 different cases. In my PT exam, I got 2 essays. Both the essays had 2 statements. I will show you 3 different cases. Case 1, I'll talk about when essay statement has 1 statement. यहाँ पे काटो. Case 1, I'll talk about when question contains one statement, how to include keywords. Case 2, I'll talk about question which contains two statements. Case 3, I'll talk about questions which contain three statements. So how to write different essays. Let's first talk about case 1 where question contains one statement. See, this is the essay in front of you. Marx encourage students to learn. To what extent do you agree with this statement? Now, these are the keywords, guys. This is not the keyword. This is just the question. You do not need to include this question. These are your keywords. Marx encourage students to learn. So you need to make sure you're writing all of these keywords in your answer. Now, since this essay statement is short, you can include this statement again and again at different dashes. Let me show you the sample answer. See, there are different spaces here in introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, conclusion. Since essay statement is short, you can repeat the statement again and again. But here at dash number 1, you need to write one keyword related to the topic. So marks which encourage students to learn can not only contribute to achievement of goals, any one keyword related to the topic, but also lead to numerous other benefits in various fields, or you can write another keyword, but also lead to career growth, professional growth, personal growth. Here in body paragraph 2, you need to write one simple statement. So I've just written a very simple statement. Another pivotal aspect of the aforementioned proposition is that marks are closely related to bright future. Subject, verb, object. That's it. This is exactly how I attempted essay writing in my PT exam. I just use the template. I write different lines at different places. I included K1 here, fine, and I included one simple statement in body paragraph 2. Very, very simple. And I used essay template in both the essays. Now, guys, I'm going to talk about case 1 when question contains one statement, but it's a longer one. So when the statement is long, you might have to break it or you might have to include major keywords in order to make sure you're writing within 200 to 300 words. Let's see an example. Let's first read the question. Classmates have a more important influence than parents on a child's success in school. To what extent do you agree with this statement? So this is your statement. These are your keywords. You need to make sure all of these keywords are inserted in your answer. Now see this. There is an introduction and conclusion. You can write the main statement completely. Whereas in other places, you can just write main topic related keywords. So here I've written a small, like major keywords. Classmates have a more important influence than parents. Here also I have written the small keywords. Classmates have more important influence than parents on child success. And here you can write topic related keywords. So here we're talking about child success, or you can write classmates, any topic related keyword. So child success cannot contribute to one keyword related to the topic, personal growth, but also lead to numerous other benefits in various fields. You can write it as it is, or if you want, if you have a keyword in your head, you can write K2 here, keyword 2 here. So child success can not only contribute to personal growth, but also lead to happiness. Here in guys body paragraph 2, make a very simple sentence, subject, verb, object, and you can make a sentence related to the topic. So what was the topic? Classmates have a more important influence than parents on a child's success in school. So what I've written, students spend more time with their classmates while they are in the school. So write subject, verb, object, create a very simple sentence. That's it. So what to cut it short, let me show you the template again. See, it's very simple. You just need to include different keywords from the essay statement. And here you need to write K1 related to the topic, K2 related to the topic, and one simple sentence related to the topic, and you're sorted. Because most of the students, they're not able to write essays the correct way. Fixed templates are working, but you need to make sure your fixed templates have enough space to include all keywords from essay statement. So guys, case 2, we're going to talk about where questions contains two statements. So this is the exact case which I got in my PT exam. Both the essays had two statements. Please do understand it well. Guys, most of the students, when they're getting two statements or three statements, they're not including all the keywords from the essay statement. And that's the reason they're not getting scores. If you get two statements or three statements, make sure you include all keywords, that is keywords from all two or all three of the statements. Now read this. Some people like to do only what they already do well. Other people prefer to try new things and take risks. What is your opinion? So this is statement one. This is statement two. You need to make sure you include both the statements in your answer. That is both the keywords. Keywords from both the statement. यहाँ पे फिर से काटो. दोबारा से कर रही हूँ, ये भी गलती हो गई है. Please let me tell you, fixed templates will work in PT exam. You just need to make sure all keywords are included. Now, most of the time, students are getting essays which contain 2 or 3 statements, but students are writing keywords only from one statement. They're not including all the keywords, and that's the reason they're scoring low. I'm going to show you the exact case which I got in my PT exam. I got 2 statements. I got 2 essays, and both the essays had 2 statements. Let's understand how to exactly attempt this kind of question. Some people like to do only what they already do well. Other people prefer to try new things and take risks. What is your opinion? Now, these are your keywords, guys. You need to make sure all the keywords are included in your answer. Let's understand how to attempt essay writing exactly. Let's see the sample answer, guys. See this. What I have done, in dash number 1, I have added statement number 1. So one of the most important trends of today's world is a colloquial upsurge in the statement that, so here you can write statement 1. Here you can write statement 2. Here you can write just main keywords. So the most important one is that trying new things and taking risk cannot contribute to one topic, one keyword related to topic. So it, like, if you try new things, you take risk. So it can contribute to experience, but also lead to knowledge. Fine. So just try to write K1 and K2, two keywords related to the topic here. That's it. If you're not getting K2, you can write numerous other benefits in various fields as it is. This is what I did in my exam. In one of the essay, I added 2 keywords. In another one, I just kept this line also constant. Fixed template will work. Just try to understand how to use the template. Now here you can just make a small, simple statement related to the topic. This question is all about some people like to do only what they already do well. Other people prefer to try new things and take risk. So I have just made one simple statement. Another pivotal aspect of the aforementioned proposition is that people who try new things and take risks succeed and change the world because they are not afraid of failure. So you can make a statement related to the topic and just make a simple statement. Don't make complex one. Again, here you can write statement 1 in another dash, statement 2 here. That's it. Since the statements were short, I've kept the statements as it is. If statements are very long, you can include the keyword so that the word limit is within 200 to 300. Now guys, I'm going to talk about the last case. What if you get 3 statements? Let's say you get an essay question which has 3 statements. Make sure you include keywords from all 3 statements in your answer. So see, bottled water is popular because of its convenience. Yet plastic bottles have also caused a lot of environmental problems. Some claim that bottled water should be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this is statement 1. This is statement 2. This is statement 3. And these are not your keywords. So you need to include these keywords in your answer. Now see how to exactly write the answer with it. See here. In dash 1, you can write statement 1. In dash 2, you can write statement 2. Here, you can again write statement 3. And in the last dash, you can write statement 1. The most preponderant one is that here just write topic related keywords. So what I've written, banning bottled water. See this, bottled water should be banned. So I've written banning bottled water. Cannot contribute to write one keyword related to the topic, reduction of waste, but also lead to again another keyword, protection of environment. If you don't know another keyword, you can keep it as it is, numerous other benefits in various fields that will work well. Another pivotal aspect of the aforementioned proposition is that you can make one simple sentence, plastic bottles are a threat to the environment. See, same keywords we have kept from here. Plastic bottles have caused a lot of environmental problems, and same things I've written, plastic bottles are a threat to the environment. That's it. And you are pretty much sorted. You need to proofread your essays, guys. Most of the students do not proofread the essays. Most of the students are writing below or above the word limit. Most of the students are writing wrong spellings. Most of the students are not including all the keywords. So make sure you are covering all of the things. As I told you, that complete essay writing is not based on content. It includes various parameters. Also, guys, there are so many fixed templates that are working well. You do not need to change your template. You just need to make sure your essay template has enough space so that it includes all keywords. Also, in both the essays, yes, you can use the same template. You do not need to worry. If you want to write essay by yourself, yes, you can write essay by yourself without any template, but there's no such need. Since in PTE, there are a lot of students who are not really good with grammar. There are a lot of students who are not that good with grammatical aspect. So yes, you can use the template, and templates are working. It's very, very important how to use the template. This is how what I have done in my PT exam, how I have got 90 exact things I've shared with you. So I hope you would find this session helpful. If you find this session helpful, do let me know in the comment section. Also, guys, let me tell you one thing. Our 90 out of 90 series is out. So make sure you have watched the series. That series is the most important series. How I got 19 speaking, how I got 19 reading, and how I got 90 out of 19 PTE. If you want me to make any other particular video, you let me know in the comment section. I'll try to create the content as soon as possible. You can follow us on Instagram, and you can find important reels over our Instagram as well as our Facebook. So please let me know in the comment section, did you find the session helpful? And I'll get back to you.